There's no denying it. AI has become an omnipresent force in our world. It is pretty much taking over, right? It's like everywhere you look these days. No kidding, in just the last few years, AI has gone totally nuts. It's shaking things up and changing pretty much everything we do. But here's the real kicker. How do businesses actually make some serious cash from all this AI stuff they're pouring money into? Picture this. You've got this crazy smart digital buddy that can crunch numbers like nobody is business, see what's coming before it happens, and make choices faster than you can say. Artificial intelligence. Pretty cool, right? No wonder everyone is trying to get a piece of the AI pie. Let's chat about SaaS, software as a service. It's pretty much the go-to way to make money with AI these days. Here's the deal. You've got this cool AI software, right? Instead of selling it outright, you let folks subscribe to it. It's a win-win. You get a nice, steady cash flow, and your customers get some awesome tech to play with. But here's the kicker. Building your own AI tool? It's a nightmare of complexity, time, and money. That's where HighLevel swoops in to save the day. They've got this SaaS thing where agencies can rebrand their AI platform and sell subscriptions. It's packed with neat stuff like automated marketing and predictive analytics. The agencies make bank with recurring revenue, and their clients get some seriously useful tools. Pretty sweet setup, if you ask me. Look, HighLevel SaaS mode is a game changer. You can jump on the AI bandwagon without bleeding your wallet dry on development costs. Plus, you get to slap your own brand on it and offer a tailored, all-in-one package. It's a no-brainer. So, if you're itching to turn your AI dreams into cold, hard cash, HighLevel SaaS mode is your ticket. Want to see if it's all it's cracked up to be? Hit that link below and snag a free 14-day trial. No strings attached. What have you got to lose?